Just put mothballs in the fabric softener and you'll thank me later. I have stopped spending money. For today's tip, we're going to need mothballs. Let's put it in a plastic bag. And we're going to use a butcher to make the mothballs completely dissipate into dust. After that, we will transfer the powder to a container. And then we will add 1 liter of hot water. The ideal is to always mix well before adding a new ingredient. Now, we are going to add 100 milliliters of vinegar. Make this mixture at home. I am sure you will be surprised by the result. And we are going to mix the ingredients again. You will love doing this trick at home. I always do it when I need an effective homemade cleaning product. Then we will add 50 milliliters of fabric softener. The brand can also be of your preference. We can use the softener cap itself as a meter, just like I'm doing here. And we mix everything again. And before I forget, tell me which city you see us in so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Angela, from Buenos Aires. She's glad you enjoy our advice. It is best to be able to do this trick with ingredients that are easily found in the supermarket. We are going to add 3 tablespoons of detergent. The brand may be of her preference. This ingredient helps reinforce cleaning. This amount alone is more than enough to use for at least a month. And then we'll mix it again. Finally, we will add 500 milliliters of water. The best thing is that this mixture works perfectly for a complete bathroom cleaning. Let's give it one last mix of ingredients. And we are going to reserve the mixture for later. Now, we're going to need an empty bottle. We are going to uncover the bottle so we can make a hole in the lid to facilitate the application of the mixture. My guests always ask me what my secret is to why my bathroom smells so good and my floor so clean. Meanwhile, we are going to use a funnel to transfer the previously prepared mixture into the bottle without wasting even a bit of the mixture. After that, we're going to recap the bottle. And so today's track is ready. This mixture is perfect for cleaning the floor, even serving the outside area of your house, and only if necessary use a broom to scrub. I thank you for watching this video this far. I hope you liked it, and tell me the result you had at home. I'll see you in the next video.